John and Peter are competing property managers with clients who want EV chargers. John calls his regular electrician, but he doesn't know how to install EV chargers in a multi-unit property. John calls more electricians, but they either don't know, say the reply but never do, or use the I word. After several weeks, John's feeling the heat from his clients. He's running out of excuses for why no electrician can install EV chargers in their building. John's comforted knowing that Peter has had the same problems, but has he? You see, Peter immediately called Cambridge EV Charger, the EV charging experts. Cambridge EV Charger educated Peter about the importance of understanding a building's load capacity. How much electricity a building has available for all its needs. He heard about the different EV charging options that are available, which depend on a building's unique characteristics. He was surprised to learn that without proper planning and information, there's no way to know how much power they can actually use, the maximum number of EV chargers that can be installed, or that may not be allowing for more chargers in the future. But because of his due diligence and help from Cambridge EV Charger, Nate provided a clearly laid out plan to the strata and confidently answered any questions that came up. He showed them how the EV charging system can be scalable and cost-effective. The result is that Peter clients are excited and happy to get the correct and most efficient EV chargers for their building. Meanwhile, John's still in the dark, just like the electricians he's waiting on. So don't be a John. Call Cambridge EV Charger, your professional EV charging experts. We make the impossible to possible.